Good evening, everyone. I want to say a very big congratulations to all of you. You've been a supportive fan so far throughout this season. I want to say a very big thank you. We started this season with 20,000 followers, but now we are 91,000 followers. So it's been a very great season for us here at Moneyline, and I want to say congratulations. Thank you for supporting us. And we've ended this season with a great result. So many winning tickets coming in today. Two ticket won today. So congratulations if you have played this game today and yesterday. Even throughout this week, it's been a back-to-back winning, and then we hope to continue this trend as we move on. So as the season ends, all the league has not ended, so there will be games every day from football, basketball, ice hockey, tennis, and the rest of them. So keep tap on this channel. We'll be sharing with you games every day. If you want to join our VIP, do well and click the link in the comment section and chat me up on WhatsApp. And then also note that there are scammers out there coming to your inbox to inbox you. I don't chat you up, so try and ignore them, block them if you can. I only talk to people on my WhatsApp, which is my official link on the comment section. So chat me up if you want to join our VIP. We'll continue to share with you short predictions on daily basis. Congratulations once again. So many winning tickets that I cannot even share with you guys. So far so good. We have ended this season with a very great result, and we'll continue again from tomorrow throughout the break time, and also when the season resumes, we'll also continue with predictions every day. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, invite your friends to join us, and then let's win together. Thank you so much once again for being there with us. Thank you so much for always commenting, always liking our video. I would say always remember to bet responsibly as usual, and have a lovely evening.